So this is my regular customer, Kiran. So you came second time,
Third time.
third time. So what happened with your phone? Which phone you have?
iPhone XR.
XR. And what was the problem with that phone?
Screen and battery this time.
Screen and battery.
Screen last time.
Okay, I repaired the screen last
Yeah,
time.
and my
So now battery is not lasting properly.
No.
Okay, it's draining quickly. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna put the new screen in the battery.
Yes.
And I see you in half an hour.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm in.
So you put the password and check everything is working fine.
Yeah.
It's working absolutely fine.
Yeah.
Do you check the battery? 1 second. It's gonna say, but first you have to charge 100%.
Yes, and then it'll come
After 100%, then you turn off the phone and turn
Yes.
on back again. Yep. So touch is working fine. Battery is
Yeah,
absolutely alright. Yep.
Hi, you're at Ali's. You've repaired my phone many times. This is the third time. Battery and screen, and it's all brand new. And you'll most probably be seeing me again.